The next big piece of news, of course, is about Tesla, and we're going to do the same thing we just did with NVIDIA. We're going to start with the chart here. Here's what it looked like inside. So number one, on Friday, Tesla had a monster day. We traded it here, we covered it here, and it really just kind of held the rest of the day on Friday. The big move came in the morning, but it held all day long, closed at the highs. Now, in the pre-market here today, we traded up on volume. This is on the news that Elon Musk filed a Form 4 and actually bought some of those shares. Let's take a look at it. Shares of Tesla climbed over 6.57%, easy for me to say, during the pre-market trading session on Monday after CEO Elon Musk purchased a massive number of shares. Musk, through the Elon Musk Revocable Trust, bought 2.57 million shares of Tesla on Friday. That day that we just saw that thing trade up like crazy. Yeah. Well, Elon Musk bought 2.57 million shares. The shares were acquired at prices ranging from approximately $371 to $396 per share. And that's per the Form 4 filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission that got released this morning. This brings his indirect ownership to approximately 413 million shares. The filing lists multiple transactions such as 22,537 shares at $371.90, 133,198 shares at $386.61, and 332,908 shares at $393. So Elon bought a majority of this at the highs. These purchases have boosted the trust's holding by more than 2.5 million shares total, worth nearly $1 billion at the reported prices. The recent surge in Tesla's stock price follows a series of positive developments for the company. Wedbush's Dan Ives predicted that Tesla's AI and robotaxi business could be worth at least $1 trillion, marking a significant milestone in the company's growth story. Additionally, Gary Black identifies the proposed removal of safety monitors from Tesla's robotaxis, which would allow the company to scale up thousands of vehicles as the main catalyst for the company's stock amid proposed regulatory ease. Ross Gerber has warned that the surge in value may be temporary, however, as the EV giant's sales figures surpass analyst estimates, predicting a potential downturn after a couple of weeks. And by the way, here, I know I don't cover this for every stock here, but here's a look at the Benzinga rankings that we have for Tesla. We've talked about this on a number of presentations with Tim Melvin. Tim Melvin has used his very tried and tested methods of developing numerical scores, and we've adopted that through Benzinga Edge and Benzinga Pro. So these scores that we reference all of the time, a lot of thought has gone into them. Tesla's score is really good on momentum. That should surprise absolutely nobody, but also really good on growth and pretty good on quality there. Value a little bit questionable, but these rankings scannable in Pro if you're interested, and visible in Edge for all of the stocks that you want to take a look at here. So really interesting. I'd love to hear from the group. What is the move here on Tesla? Do we fade the move here today for a potential day trade? Do we think we might have a gap and go situation? Maybe we'll chart out the pre-market level and see if Tesla breaks out or breaks down from that range and back test it. That might give us a pretty tactical entry there on Tesla. But big mover here, big volume this morning on news that the market absolutely loves.